Super Shed. I'm delighted that you could all join me here for our Super Shed gallery. And it's also very exciting because this is our 100th video. So we're delighted that we're able to share all your artwork and all the stories from the Super Shed, especially at the moment when we can't all physically be together. So I wonder what's up in our gallery today? Dun, dun, dun. First up, into the Super Shed gallery, it's Willow. Willow, you sent me in a picture of, I don't know, is it Play-Doh City? There's so many things here. How creative you are. And your mum, Joanne, tells me that you made all of these Play-Doh things, especially for me. Oh my goodness, I think I'm the luckiest lady. Thank you so much. I love them. And I see that we have rainbows, we have butterflies, teddies, cakes, and gingerbread men. How did you know that they're some of my favourite things? Thanks so much, Willow, for sending in the photo of your work. And it makes me smile every time I see it. Now, next up, into the Super Shed gallery, we have Ben. Oh my goodness, Ben, stamps and more stamps. And you made this fabulous picture for your cousins, Lachy, Darcy and Zach. And your mum, Marion, tells me that you miss them a lot. You miss them loads and loads and loads. And I'd say they miss you lots too, Ben. Well, what are we going to do with this stampy story? I think we'll put it in the gallery. In it goes. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Next up, into the gallery, it's Reuben and his brother Ollie. Wow, you built a den in the woods close to where you live. My goodness, you're master builders. It's an amazing house. And I wonder, when we're able to have visitors again, could I come over and have a cup of tea? It looks fantastic in that den. Great construction work, Reuben and Ollie. Thank you so much. It's a great idea to share with all your friends. In your photo goes into the gallery. Now, next up, into the Super Shed gallery, it's Lottie. Well, Izzy Wizzy, let's get busy. Lottie, you've been working so hard. You've been cutting and gluing and drawing. Fabulous work. I really like that picture. And I see you've also been busy doing more work in your workbook. Wow. I hope your sister Riley is doing lots of work too and staying very busy like you. Now, thank you for sending in the pictures of your lovely work, Lottie, and I will put them in the Super Shed gallery, safe and sound. Now, next up, into the gallery, it's Ellie. Ellie, you know how much I love jewellery. Thanks so much for sending in the photo of all the fabulous necklaces that you made. And I believe that you got that jewellery making kit from Santi. Oh wow, what a clever Santa. He gave it to the right girl, that's for sure, because you're very talented at making jewellery. Thank you so much for sending in your photo. In it goes, into the gallery. Next up, into the Super Shed gallery, it's Georgia. My daughter Georgia. Georgia, you were a lifesaver during the week. We got a delivery of a special book that Ben is waiting on called The Paper Dolls. And when it came, I said, oh no, what am I going to do? I don't have any props for the story. Well, Georgia flicked through the book and she said, I have a great idea, Mum. I'm going to make some paper dolls. And she did. She did a fabulous job making this picture. And now we have it up on our fridge. And every time I go into the kitchen, it makes me smile to see such fabulous work. So thank you so much, Georgia, for helping me out during the week. Now, next up, into the Super Shed Gallery, it's a fabulous team. It's Ollie and his brother Seb. And I see that you've been making ice cream Play-Doh sundaes. It looks delicious. I wonder, did anybody go to have a taste of it? Did they think that it was real? Because it looks real. You did a really good job. It looks good enough to eat. And I also see that Ollie and Seb have been busy making slime. And you like running it through your fingers. Oh, it's lovely to be able to play like that with some slime. All gooey. In it goes into the sticky Super Shed Gallery. Next up, into the Super Shed Gallery. Why, it's Willow. Willow, you've been making a jigsaw. And are my eyes deceiving me? Who is that driving the bus? Is it a duck? A duck at the seaside driving a bus? And I see some frogs are on the beach having a party without me. It looks like they're having great fun at the seaside. And I also see that you've been busy painting as well. Fabulous brush strokes in that picture, Willow. Thank you so much for sending in all the things that you've been up to this week. Next up, into the Super Shed Gallery, it's Sophia. Sophia, this is a very interesting picture. And it's an Egyptian owl. I'd say when this owl flies, its wings look beautiful because the pattern on the wings and the attention to detail is just wonderful. And Sophia, you also drew a mermaid. Such vibrant colours, Sophia. You're a very talented artist. Thanks so much for sending that in. Fabulous, fabulous work, Sophia. And speaking of talented artists, this brings me to my last Super Shed Gallery entry. It's your brother. It's James. James, you drew Leatherhead from Teenage Ninja Hero Turtles from back in 2012. Wow, I remember my two sons, Jake and Aaron, loving the Ninja Hero Turtles as well. And I see that you also sent in a drawing of my favourite teddy bear. It's Paddington Bear. And I see, yum yum, what's that he's eating? A marmalade sandwich. Wow, James, you did a fabulous job drawing Paddington. So that's it from our gallery today. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for sending in all the photos of your wonderful work. It's great that we can all share our ideas together at the moment. So, more stories soon. And don't forget, send in all your drawings to supershedstories@gmail.com. Bye!